Determine the mass of the empty measure to be used. Using a scoop, place the concrete in the measure in 3 layers of approximately equal volume, moving the scoop around the perimeter of the measure opening to ensure an even distribution of the concrete. For the first layer, fill the measure to approximately 1/3 of its volume. Rod the layer 25 times throughout its depth, using care not to damage the bottom of the measure. Distribute the roddings uniformly over the cross-section of the measure. Tap the outside of the measure 10 to 15 times with a mallet to close voids left by the tamping rod. For the second layer, fill the measure to approximately 2/3 of its volume. Rod the layer 25 times, penetrate the first layer about 1 inch, distribute the roddings uniformly over the cross-section of the measure. Tap the outside of the measure 10 to 15 times with the mallet to close voids left by the tamping rod. For the third layer, add material so as to avoid overfilling. Rod the layer 25 times, penetrate the second layer about 1 inch, distribute the roddings uniformly over the cross-section of the measure. Tap the outside of the measure 10 to 15 times with the mallet to close voids left by the tamping rod. After consolidating the third layer, an approximate 1/8 inch of excess concrete above the top of the measure is considered optimal. Representative material can be added or removed as needed prior to strike-off. Strike off the top surface of the concrete and finish it smoothly with a flat strike-off plate, leaving the measure just level full. Completely clean the exterior of the measure and determine the mass of the measure filled with concrete. Report the volume of the measure to the nearest 0.001 feet cubed, or 0.01 liters. Report the density of the concrete to the nearest 0.1 pounds per foot cubed, or 1.0 kilograms per meters cubed.